Hello everyone and welcome back to Speak Healthy. Today we're going to talk about the top 10 signs that reveal that you may be aging too fast and how to help reverse them. As the hands of time tick forward, we all take the journey through the age-gilded path. But what if your biological clock is racing against time, pushing you to age faster than you should? Signs like chronic fatigue, memory lapses, and decline in physical strength may be whispering an untold story. But don't worry. Turning back the clock isn't a privilege reserved for time travelers. With some lifestyle tweaks and habits, we can throw the brakes on this aging train. So buckle up as we delve into the signs of rapid aging and how to keep your youthful vitality alive and kicking. Also be sure to subscribe to Speak Healthy for more content to improve your health and overall quality of life. Now on to number 1, chronic fatigue. Chronic fatigue is more than just feeling tired. It's a relentless exhaustion that persists regardless of how much we sleep or how much rest you get. This debilitating condition can interfere with your daily activities, making it difficult to accomplish tasks that once seemed routine. When we talk about aging, chronic fatigue often emerges as a red flag. Our bodies naturally change as we age, and it's common to experience some level of tiredness. However, a constant state of fatigue, especially when coupled with proper sleep, could be an indication that your body is aging faster than it should. Addressing this condition often requires a comprehensive approach, including lifestyle changes, dietary modifications, stress management, and regular health checkups. By proactively managing these factors, you can put the brakes on accelerated aging and reclaim your vitality. Number 2, poor memory. Memory is like the brain's intricate filing system, storing everything from childhood experiences to where you last placed your keys. However, it's not uncommon to have fleeting moments of forgetfulness as you age. Yet, when these instances become frequent, or when you regularly struggle with tasks that required thought and concentration, it might signal that your brain is aging at a quicker pace than normal. Accelerated aging can lead to an increased rate of cognitive decline. This is characterized by persistent memory lapses, difficulty in learning new things, challenges in multitasking, or even a slowed ability to process information. Although everyone forgets things occasionally, consistent issues could be more indicative of something more than just senior moments. To counteract this, it's essential to maintain a brain-healthy lifestyle. This includes mental exercises like puzzles, reading, or learning a new skill, maintaining a balanced diet rich in omega-3s and antioxidants, getting adequate sleep, and staying physically active. Regular checkups are also necessary to rule out any possible underlying health conditions. Before we continue, please click the link down below in the description for a powerful juice that will get you feeling younger and leaner within weeks. Communities with long-living men and women have been consuming the ingredients in this juice for generations to live longer and healthier lives. Number 3, dull skin. The skin is the body's largest organ, and it reflects our overall health and age. As we grow older, it's natural for the skin to undergo changes. However, when your skin begins to look dull, loses its elasticity, becomes dry or excessively wrinkled, it may be signaling a faster than normal aging process. Your skin's youthful glow and elasticity largely depend on the production of 2 vital proteins, collagen and elastin. As we age, the production of these proteins naturally decreases. However, environmental factors like excessive sun exposure, pollution, and poor lifestyle choices such as smoking or unhealthy diet can accelerate this decline. This can lead to premature skin aging, presenting a dullness, dryness, fine lines, and wrinkles. However, you can slow down the process and rejuvenate your skin. A skincare routine that includes regular cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing can help maintain skin health. Incorporating anti-aging ingredients like retinol, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and peptides can boost collagen production and restore skin elasticity. Number 4, hair loss. Your hair, much like your skin, is a visual marker of your overall health and age. With aging, it's natural to experience some hair thinning and loss. However, if you're noticing a significant reduction in hair volume, or your hairline is receding more rapidly than you'd expect, it might indicate that your body is aging faster than usual. Hair grows from follicles, which are tiny pockets in your skin. As we age, these follicles can shrink, leading to thinner, finer hairs. Eventually, the follicles may stop producing new hairs altogether, resulting in hair loss. Several factors can accelerate this process, including hormonal changes, nutritional deficiencies, stress, and even certain medical conditions. Fortunately, there are ways to address the issue. A diet rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals, particularly iron, vitamin D, and biotin, can support hair health and growth. Regular scalp massages can stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles, supporting hair growth as well. Avoiding harsh hair treatments such as chemical processes, heat styling tools, and tight hairstyles can also prevent unnecessary damage and breakage. Number 5. Brittle nails. Our nails, often overlooked, can serve as mirrors to our overall health and age. As we grow older, it's normal for our nails to become a bit more brittle, developing ridges and grow more slowly. However, if you notice your nails are excessively brittle, constantly breaking, or the ridges are more pronounced, it may be indicative that your body is aging faster than usual. Your nails are made of a protein called keratin. Aging affects the rate at which this protein is produced, which can lead to weaker, brittle nails. Environmental factors like repeating wetting and drying, exposure to harsh chemicals, or nutritional deficiencies can also make your nails more prone to breakage and can accelerate aging. To maintain the health of your nails, ensure that you have a balanced diet rich in proteins, biotin, and other essential vitamins and minerals. Keep your nails and cuticles moisturized and try to minimize exposure to water and harsh chemicals by wearing gloves while doing household chores. Regular, gentle filing can help these ridges from catching and tearing. Always keep nails trimmed to a manageable length to avoid breakages. Number 6. Weight gain. Weight gain, especially around the waistline, is a common complaint as we age. However, if you find yourself packing on pounds more easily than in the past, or if your weight seems to be increasing despite maintaining your usual diet and exercise routine, it could be a sign that your body is aging faster than usual. As we age, our metabolic rate, how fast we burn calories, tends to slow down. This can result in easier weight gain even if your eating habits haven't changed. Additionally, hormonal changes, particularly in women during menopause, can lead to weight gain, especially around the waistline. To counteract this, it's essential to make adjustments to your lifestyle. This includes maintaining a balanced, nutritious diet that's rich in whole foods, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and limiting the intake of processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats. Regular physical activity is crucial too. This doesn't mean just doing formal workouts, but also incorporating more movement into your day-to-day life, like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or walking to the local destination instead of driving. Number 7. Weakened immune system. The immune system is our body's defense mechanism protecting us against disease-causing microorganisms. However, if you find yourself falling ill more often than usual or taking longer to recover from common illnesses, it might be a sign that your immune system isn't functioning at its peak, a possible indicator of accelerated aging. As we age, our immune system naturally becomes less efficient, a process known as immunosenescence. This can lead to a higher susceptibility to infections, diseases, and poorer responses to vaccinations. However, if these changes occur earlier or more rapidly than expected, they may point to a faster aging process. This could be influenced by various factors including poor nutrition, chronic stress, lack of sleep, sedentary lifestyle, or even certain health conditions. Frequent illnesses or prolonged recovery times are more than just inconvenient. They're signals from your body that your immune system may need attention. The good news is there are ways to boost your immune system. Balanced diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides the nutrients needed for your immune system to function optimally. Regular exercise. Physical activity can help to stimulate the immune system, improving your body's ability to fight off illnesses. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for the immune system. Lack of sleep or poor sleep can hinder your body's ability to fight off infections. Stress management. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system, making you more prone to infections. Techniques such as yoga, meditation, or other relaxing activities can help manage stress levels. Hydration. Staying hydrated doesn't directly protect you from germs and viruses, but preventing dehydration is important to your overall health. When you're healthy, your immune system is better at fighting off any potential threats. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Both can impair your immune system and make you more prone to infections. Regular health checkups. Regular health checkups can help detect potential issues early. Number 8. Vision problems. Vision is one of our most critical senses, guiding us through our daily lives. However, as we age, changes in our vision are to be expected. Presbyopia, or difficulty focusing on near objects, cataracts, and age-related macular degeneration are common vision problems associated with aging. However, if you're experiencing a significant shift in your vision or difficulty seeing that seem premature for your age, this could be a sign that your body is aging faster than normal. Eye structures change as we age, affecting our visual acuity. The lenses in our eyes can become less flexible, making it harder to focus on close-up objects. The retinas can also deteriorate, affecting our central vision. Environmental factors such as prolonged exposure to screens, sunlight, and poor nutrition can accelerate these changes and contribute to earlier onset of vision problems. To help maintain your eye health, follow these tips. Regular eye checkups. Regular examinations by an eye care professional can detect issues early and allow for timely treatment to prevent further vision loss. Healthy diet. A diet rich in vitamins A, C, E, and minerals like copper and zinc can help maintain healthy vision. Foods like carrots, leafy greens, fish, and citrus fruits are good choices. Protection from UV light. Wearing sunglasses that block out 99% to 100% of both UVA and UVB radiation can help protect your eyes from damage. Screen breaks. Take regular breaks from looking at screens to reduce eye strain. Quit smoking. Smoking increases the risk of age-related eye disease as well. Number 9. Decreased muscle mass and strength. Muscle mass and strength are vital for our physical abilities and overall health. As we age, it's natural to experience some loss of muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. However, if you notice a significant decrease in muscle mass or strength at an earlier age, or at a faster rate than you'd expect, this might be a sign that your body is aging faster than usual. With age, changes in the body's hormone levels, increased inflammatory responses, and decreased protein synthesis can all contribute to muscle loss. This process can be accelerated by a sedentary lifestyle, inadequate protein intake, chronic illness, or even stress. This loss of muscle mass and strength can lead to difficulties in performing daily activities, increased risk of falls, and overall decrease in quality of life. However, you can take action to slow down this process and even regain some muscle mass and strength. Strength training. Engaging in regular strength or resistance training exercises can help increase muscle mass and improve muscle function. This doesn't necessarily mean lifting heavy weights at the gym. Simple body weight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges can be effective too. Adequate protein intake. Eating a rich diet and high-quality protein can support muscle health. This includes foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, and plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. Stay active. Even outside of dedicated exercise sessions, try to incorporate more physical activity into your daily routine. This can include walking, gardening, or even housework. Number 10. Poor dental health. Your mouth is often said to be a window into the overall health of your body, and it's not hard to see why. Good oral health is an integral part of overall well-being, and our teeth and gums can often signal broader health issues. As we age, some dental health changes are natural, but rapid deterioration of dental health, including gum disease, tooth loss, or frequent cavities, might suggest that your body is aging faster than it should. With aging, you may naturally experience some receding gum lines and enamel wear. However, chronic inflammation, also known as gum disease or periodontitis, can accelerate these processes. Unchecked, this can lead to tooth loosening and eventual tooth loss. Additionally, certain medications and conditions like diabetes can decrease saliva flow, leading to dry mouth, which can in turn accelerate tooth decay and oral health problems. Poor dental health isn't just about maintaining a beautiful smile, it's linked to a number of health issues including heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. Here are a few steps you can take to preserve your oral health as you age. Regular dental checkups. Regular visits to the dentist can catch problems early, before they become severe. Dentists can remove plaque and tartar, look for cavities, and assess your gum health. Good oral hygiene. Brush at least twice a day, floss daily, and use mouthwash to help keep your mouth clean and reduce the risk of gum disease and tooth decay. Healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet can help provide the nutrients necessary for healthy gums and teeth. Try to limit sugary foods and drinks, which can contribute to tooth decay. Avoid tobacco. Smoking or using tobacco products can cause gum disease and oral cancer. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your mouth moist, encourages saliva production, and helps wash away food particles that could potentially cause cavities. As you've learned, although aging can be a dreaded and unavoidable part of life, there are many different ways to slow aging down considerably. Armed with this newfound knowledge, all of you can make the necessary steps to slow aging to a crawl. And that's all for now. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please like this video and subscribe to Speak Healthy for more health-related content. See you soon.